Hello everybody and welcome to Algebra 1 with Mr. Chavez. So today we're going to learn how to factor a trinomial. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want to do is make sure everything has a sign and a coefficient. So we could say plus 1 x squared plus 13x plus 40. Now what we want to do is identify the a, b, and c of the trinomial. So a, b, c. So a is the coefficient in front of the x squared. So we have positive 1. B is going to be the coefficient in front of x. So we have positive 13. And then c is going to be your constant, which is plus 40. Now that you have identified a, b, and c, we're going to go ahead and make a table. On the left side is going to be a times c, and on the right side is going to be b. So a is positive 1, so positive 1 times c is positive 40, so times positive 40. Positive times a positive is a positive. 1 times 40 is 40. Now, b is going to be positive 13. Now that we have our table set up, we're going to go ahead and find the factors. But first thing we have to do is find what signs are we going to use. So remember, we have positive, positive, negative times a negative, positive times a negative. So what I'm trying to find is two factors that multiply to give you a positive. And remember, there's two ways to get this: positive times a positive and negative times a negative. So we could cross out this one. Now, they have to add up and give you positive 13. Well, positive plus a positive will give me a positive. Negative plus a negative would give me a negative. So this is wrong. So both of my factors are going to be positives. And all we're going to do is go in descending order. So we're going to do 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 3 can't go into it, 4 times 10, 5 times 8, 6, no, 7, no, and then since the next one will be 8, well, we already have it there. So we could say a little more positives, and all we're going to do is add them together. So we could say positive 1 plus 40 gives you positive 41. Positive 2 plus 20 gives you positive 22. Positive 4 plus 10 gives you positive 14. Positive 5 plus 8 gives you positive 13. And the number I'm looking for is positive 13. So my answer is positive 5 plus 8. Now, since a is 1, all we're going to do is parentheses x plus 5 and parentheses x plus your other factor, which is 8. So now my final answer is going to be x plus 5 times x plus 8. And one thing to remember, when b and c are both positive, that means my binomials are going to be positives. If you have any questions, please let me know.